Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu says that a Jew who had been slapped on his face came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, "O Muhammad, an Ansari amongst your companions has slapped me." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Summon him." So they fetched him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "Why did you slap him on his face?" That Ansari submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I was passing by that Jew and I overheard him saying, 'By him who has chosen Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam amongst all the human beings.' I said to myself, he is giving him superiority even over Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I got exasperated and I gave him a slap. Whereupon he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'Do not give me superiority over any of the prophets alayhimus salam, for on that day of resurrection, when all the human beings will faint, I will be the first one to come round, but will see Hazrat Moosa alayhi salam holding the leg of the throne. I do not know by conjecture whether he comes round before me or he will not faint in recompense of the truer faint." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4638.